Okay, after some technical difficulties, the little curlicue thing I have that pulls out those packing things is too big to go in between my blend nut and the the propeller shaft. So this here is probably a 1/4 inch or something. So then I got the little things from Harbor Freight that you hook into it and get out whatever you can do with it. And it looked different kind of material than what I'm used to seeing. Granted, I've only installed one time, maybe 30 years ago, but I do know what it looks like. So this stuff here, let me turn that off.